Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish women hand nail art designs and nail paint colors. Wow, it's so amazing. What's beautiful hand for women. Beautiful hand nail art designs. If you want to buy these beautiful nail art designs accessories, so I tell website's name, and if you go your own shopping mall, you will buy from there these accessories and these nail paint colors. So guys, please like me, comment me. I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. So please like me, comment me, please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. These attractive collections, these attractive accessories, you can apply this beautiful collection any functions with your matching dresses. Wow, it's beautiful, light purple, amazing bow tie accessories, brown, blue, pink, black, yellow, and also glitter styles. Some are beaded stones and rising stone decorated accessories. So my dearest friends, please watch my video till the end. My dearest friends, I hope you will like this video. Then please like me, comment, and please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. When you apply these beautiful hand nail art designs, you can so happy and your personality will be enhanced. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.